Hello everyone, in this video we are looking into OpenAI Codex Desktop Application. Yes, you have heard it right. We were interacting with the OpenAI Codex on a web interface where you connect a GitHub repository, give it a task, and it will run the task independently on a separate environment. You can create multiple tasks at the same time. You can arrange the tasks sequentially and whatnot. So the same functionality is now available on Windows and MacOS. So here I'm on the Windows Codex app. Here you can connect your local projects. So these two are my local project residing on my local computer. You can select a project and start a new thread into the project, and it will work locally on the machine. You can give it a task. Let's say write a clear readme file, and when I hit enter, it will start working on the project in a separate environment. I can switch tabs, go to other tasks, or even create a new thread as well for a particular project. You can see I'm working on AI agent starter. You can give a task and boom, it will work on it separately. Also, there is this functionality of cloud where you can basically connect a cloud instance and start working on the cloud instance. So for what happens is that you need to either select the existing cloud environment or create a new environment. Let's say you want to create a new environment. You can always go to the Codex settings and environments and create a new environment, select the organization on which you want to work, select the repository and follow the steps and hit create environment, and it will create an environment. Then you can come here, select the environment. For example, let's say I'm selecting this environment and I'll say write a clear readme file and hit enter. This will start working basically on a cloud. This task is running locally on my machine. You can see the AI agent has taken the action and it's asking for my approval. I'll say yes and approve it. The agent is updating my readme file for this project, and if I go to this cloud environment, you can see it is basically working on the updating readme file that we have started 1 minute ago. You can see that this is a new kind of software development. It's not Cursor, Anti-Gravity or any other code editor. It's a different environment where you are creating multiple threads at the same time, working on different projects at the same time, and reviewing the code and approving the action and doing lots of things at the same time. So if you are like me, someone who is working on different projects at the same time, you can use this codex at their full potential. And I'm not sure what's issue with this particular implementation, but once the implementation is done, you will have a commit button here. You can commit and push to the main branch or create a PR, and the description for that will be created automatically as well. So yeah, this is how you can use OpenAI Codex application on your machine. I particularly have started using this Windows machine on which I'm at this point recording the video, because my main machine is a Linux machine. But since this came out, and I thought to give it a shot and figure out how it works and how it feels, and I have been using this for a couple of days now, and it seems to be working great in my case. Since the project is not attached to a GitHub repository, it is asking me to create a Git repository. Otherwise, it would have asked to create a PR. So I guess this is it from my side for this quick tutorial on OpenAI Codex Desktop Application. I'm sure you have gained some knowledge out of this video, and I'm sure you are now able to run multiple threads, run multiple projects at the same time and work on multiple projects. If this video is helpful, let me know in the comment section. Finally, if you like the work I put on my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.